Yeah, what's up guys? In today's video I'll be showing you guys what is inside the BT-8U USB Soldering Iron. If you don't understand what this is, just check the description of this video. I've done a video on that. So today what I just want to do is let's look inside and look what are the components they use in making this stuff. Okay, so let's start. So let me just lose it. As you can see, we have one bolt here, another here, and another one here. Okay, so let's lose it. Okay, it's coming out. Okay, let's check the second one. Okay, wait, and then the third one. Okay, the two are out, remaining one. Oh, that's funny. Okay, since this last one has worn out, it will open anyway. So let's lose this part, because in case this stuff is faulty, that's how the place you have to do so that you can replace it. Okay, just click here, tap it. Okay, so we have our bolt here and those nuts they are here too. Okay, now as you can see, this is what is inside. And you guys see that is really awesome. Okay, so this is everything inside this USB soldering iron. As you can see, this is the head part where in case this stuff gets spoiled, what you just need to go is go to online. You say just buy it online, something around $1 or $2, just buy it. Then this wire will comes with it, understand? So once it comes, you can really solder it here. Okay, so let's see the way this stuff really works now. Let's plug it, and this is the control. You can see the light coming up. Okay, so let's see, maybe it's getting up like that. It's not getting hot. You can see this stuff is really very sensitive in the such that it is until all the components are complete before it start getting hot. You can see this is the positive pole coming here, the negative. So in case you buy a new one, all you have to do is just remove this, resolder it, and put it back. Okay, so you can see it's not getting hot now, so I can really touch it. Okay, so okay, another thing before we couple it and see maybe it will get hot back. You can see it's a USB, but this part is like an audio jack. Okay, you can see. So if I click on it, it will come up. Okay, let's look at this part. Is this stuff really adding any voltage or reducing or controlling? Now we understand that this place is the switch. We understand there is one light indicator here, that is an LED. Okay, you can see it here. We have the switch. So let's look at what are the function of this. Are they stepping the voltage up or are they stepping it down? Okay, so that is why I have my multimeter with me. Let's do a test run and see what is inside and what is the way it's working. For those of you that don't understand how to use multimeter, just the description of this video, I've dropped a link to that. Okay, I've done a lot of video on that. Okay, so just set your multimeter to direct voltage, that is around 20, since I know this my USB is around 5 point. Okay, so now let's check the voltage rating inside. So your negative polarity, then positive. So we can see our voltage is, let's say 5.11. okay, now let's plug it and we'll check the voltage coming here. Understand the 5.11 is going here, so we'll check maybe is the 5.11 the same or stepping it up. Let's do the trial so that we understand what is going on there. Okay, and this is plugged now. Okay, so let's switch it on, and remember this is the red polarity, the negative pole, and this is the positive pole. Okay, so let's put the negative here. You know, we want to read the voltage. You can see it's not getting all because everything is not yet coupled. Okay, so my negative pole is here. Please watch this multimeter and let's see, maybe there will be change in the voltage rating. Oh, the voltage is still 5.1. okay, still the same 5.1. so indirectly, if you ask me what is this panel doing, all I will say is that it's just for you to be able to control this LED, that is one of the support, and also this switch. So indirectly, I will do another video where I will just get this head alone, then we'll just run it to a 5-volt USB cable and we'll see maybe it will power it or not. Okay, if you find this video very helpful, do wait to like and subscribe to this video. Okay, so now let's couple it back and test maybe when everything is coupled, maybe it will get hot or not. Okay, so let's try that now. So I'm trying to knot everything. So we'll cover this part, the last boot, before we tie everything back. Okay. So now, let's knot everything back. Okay, plastic is there, and this one is there. Okay, now everything is connected. Let's now plug and see maybe it will get hot or not. Now it's connected. Now the light is on, so let's see maybe it will get hot or not now. You know, before I can touch it, now it's getting hot. It's getting hot, okay. Now before I can hold it for very long, which you guys are here to see so that you won't say I'm lying, but let me find one nylon to just touch, maybe it will melt or not, okay. So it's getting hot. Shit, that's serious. Okay, so let me get one nylon to just say maybe it will burn it or not. Okay. It's because I don't have any soldering lead yet, like right now. Okay, let me just touch this and see. Can you see that? I believe you can see that smoke. Okay, so what I'm curious about is why is it that until these two stubs are connected before start working? Okay, let me see, maybe it's done. So that, okay, let's lose it and see now. So I want to understand the theory behind it. Okay, I remove this one first, so let's plug it now. Let it cool down so that we get a perfect point here. So it has cooled down now. Please, now I can touch it, unlike the other time it was burning. So for you to be sure, so let me just touch this nylon again. Do you see anything there? Nothing is going on now. Okay, so now let's plug it and see. You know, I removed this part to cross check, maybe it's the one doing the work, so that we understand the theory behind it. Okay, so let's plug it now and let's switch it on. Okay, you know, I was unable to hold it when it was hot then. Now I'm still holding it, no issue. Okay, let's see what will happen. Still not hot. For you to be sure, let me touch this nylon. You can see nothing is happening. Okay, nothing is happening. Okay, now let's knot this and see what will happen. Okay, let's see what will happen. It's getting hot. It's getting hot gradually. Okay, so let's check maybe it's hot or not. This is the same nylon we've been using. Okay, now let's touch. You see that smoke? I believe you can see that it's working now. Okay, so in a nutshell, what I just want to prove is that what they simply did, the engineering behind it is that, you know, at the middle of this thing when we lose it then, if you recall, you know, we have one black pole and we have the negative part too, the negative and the positive. You know, the positive part was the inner part there, while the negative part was connected to this. So what happened is the positive is still being connected to this, but the negative end here. So for this place and this place to lap, there must be something like this. So because this can conduct, so it's doing the bridge between here to here.